Alright, I'm gonna demonstrate the world's most legendary glitch. Come on, Airface, accept. There we go. There we go. Alright. Most legendary. You thought Chorg Infinite Jump was good. You thought Double Tornado was good. You thought all G-kiting? No, that doesn't count. Does not. I'm gonna show you why. I'm gonna show you why you're wrong, and I'm right. That this is the best glitch in the world of Stick Empires. And anything you say to say I'm wrong is incorrect. 100% factual. Okay. So, monologue graphics. The frame rate might be a little choppy because I'm actually recording directly on my computer, which with this old laptop I never ever do, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Why not? Get that guy there. Wait, don't shoot him. No, don't shoot the cat. Don't shoot the cat! No, we like the cat. The cat is friends. He's our pet cat. He's a house cat, really. That guy there. Stay there. Move him down there. I think I can get the Merrick down there. In time. Yeah, okay. Get that down there. We're executing the glitch. Glitch is being executed. Copy Roger. I don't know if you can do it with ground units. Good job. Go. Alright. So now I think he should be invincible now. So let's let this Merrick die. Take off the spells. Why didn't the spells turn off? There we go. He's got heal on. He's gonna die now. Get ready. Here we go. Should be working. Ready? Work. Yeah. 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 There it is. Look at this. Look at how far he's throwing his guns. Oh, this gets me every time. Look at it. Look at this. Wait, high graphics. Gotta see this in high graphics. Oh, what am I doing with my life? Now the Albatross will become mythic. Oh. GG. Albo is a good unit. Alblo, I spell like that.